Hey bitches, yeah, I'm standing at the river foreshore recording this video. As you can see in the background is the famous Perth bell tower. It's ringing right now because it's 2:30. Yes, the Perth bell tower is ringing right now at 2:30. So yeah, I'm just standing at river foreshore filming this cool video. Just chilling out. It's a nice sunny day, yes. I'll show you a picture of her. It looks really brilliant, doesn't it? Yes. Hey bitches. I'm at the river foreshore right now, right at the Swan river, filming this video. Oh yeah, this one. So yeah, as you see on the background, on the back, how cool and spectacular it is. Perth, Swan River, and the ferry there, oh, and there's the bus just arriving, so no, and then the bell tower is there, the famous bell tower. Yeah, so as you can see, a glimpse, and there's some palm trees there. Ferry, Ferris wheel, yeah, so it's lovely, yeah, Ferris wheel on a nice sunny day, yeah, so yeah, I just show you a glimpse of Perth.